How y'all doing today, people? Today I got a special video for all my grill and meat lovers out there. I'm gonna be showing you how to mark off a piece of steak, any steak really, but specifically in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to mark off filet mignons. Right here, we got a whole bunch of big boys, 8 ounces.
Not even 8 ounces, man. A lot of these are like 9.6, man. Big boys.
I'm not gonna be showing you how to cook it, but I'm gonna show you how it's done. So stay tuned. You might learn a thing or two or seven.
Right here, you kind of see me like playing with the meat, kind of shaping it. That's because you want your fillets to have a nice plump fillet shape. You don't want it to be all flat and misshapen. But you see me buttering it. You want to butter it on both sides. You see that seasoning, that secret salt. Yeah, you gotta season it good. Get the salt all over there. Maybe even rub it in. The chef's always telling me not to be shy with the seasoning. Like always telling me, don't be shy, don't be shy. I tell you, I ain't shy, man. I'm generous with the seasoning. But yeah, here you see I'm still going. So I'm not fully cooking the steaks here. I'm just marking them on both sides so I can have them ready for a party later. Because once that party comes, I probably won't have time to cook all 20 of these steaks. I'm probably going to be busy with orders and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these aside. Once that party comes, pop them in the oven for a few minutes. Boom, they come out medium rare, just how they need them.
You see his sense of urgency? You see that? How fast he's moving? You gotta do that all the time. Everything.
And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the real lesson here today. You gotta have a sense of urgency with everything you do. And that applies to anything in life, but especially here when you're marking off a bunch of meat. You want it all to be cooked to an even temperature.
But man, look at all that smoke. Yeah, it gets smoky in that broiler, I tell you.
Okay, so right here, you see one of my young bulls. We'll just say he's my apprentice. You see him come up and try to rotate the meat, but he almost rips the meat off the grill. Luckily, I come in just in time and I take them tongs out of his hands.
Watch out.
When you want to turn the meat, right here, I give it like a 90-degree turn just to give it that cross grill mark, give it a nice even cook. Once that's marked up, flip it over, mark the other side. Seriously though, look at those grill marks. Looks like somebody took a Sharpie and drew them on there. But in all seriousness, you want to make sure you mark off both sides of your steak. Because if you only mark off one side, and let's say you put it off to the side on a tray or something, all your juices are going to flow out. And people, you don't want your juices flowing out. Right here, you see my young boy helping me pull the meat off of the grill, which I don't mind because I want all the meat to be as evenly cooked as possible. So I allow it this time. That is indeed how it is done, people. But in all honesty, grill marks are all for aesthetic purposes. You just really want them seared. The grill marks get seared off when you finish cooking them off anyways. But moving on, here we got the chef filleting some tenderloin. He's cutting up some 8-ounce and some 6-ounce fillets right here. I think he hits this one right on the money, 6 ounces on the dot. This next one was a little under though. I think it was like 5.7 ounces or something, but it's okay. We're going to sell it either way. It's not like anybody's going to notice unless they pull up with like a scale or something. I don't know. But look at these fillets, man. If I told you these was Wagyu, you would probably believe me. Maybe not some of y'all, because some of y'all, I swear y'all be the meat police. But, we're going to cook one off. Why not? Butter it up, oil it up, season it, flip it, season it some more. Slap that boy on the grill. As you can see, sometimes the meat likes to catch a blaze, especially if there's a lot of oil on it. What you can do is you can either fan it or you can pull it off the grill. But since this steak was just for me, I just give it one of those. And it was all good. But yeah, you don't want your grill to catch on fire. And then we just gonna let that cook for a little bit in the broiler. Here you see me heating up a sizzle plate, getting it hot so I can just throw the steak on there and then throw it in the oven. Usually anything medium to well done, I like to finish it in the oven just because this broiler is really hot and I don't want to burn the edges too much. Right here you see me go to slice it up, but it was a little too rare for me, so I just pop it back in the oven. Ideally, you don't ever want to cut your steak if it's not done, because then once you go back to cook it again, all your juices is going to flow out. And like I said before, you don't want your juices to flow out. If you do happen to cut your steak too early, like I did here, what you can do is you can sear off the one side that you cut, and then your juices should be intact. But like I said, we were just going to munch on this steak, so it's okay. I trust the juices are going to be okay. Then I just threw these last few pieces back on the sizzle tray just to cook the surface a little bit more. But as you can see, they still juicing. Right here, we got some freshly vacuum sealed fillets, bright and red. So we're gonna go ahead and cook off some of our older fillets. Right here, you see they're a lot less color in them. Here you see me buttering them on both sides. I say butter, but I'm using corn oil.
Go ahead, salt them.
Need a cameraman?
Of course I need a cameraman. Look at me. Seasoning with one hand and recording with the other. Come on, man.
Just keep it on the grill.
Come on, man. Can't even record it right. They don't want to see me. They want to see the meat. And then we just let those cook for a little bit. This was a nice order. I believe we had a medium rare, a medium, and a medium well. One of each.
Cameraman? Same as yesterday. Just get the grill marks.
Okay, so since I got 3 different temperatures, I got a medium rare, a medium, and a medium well. First thing I'm going to do is pull out the steak that's going to be medium rare, keep it in the bottom oven where it's not going to cook as fast. It's just going to stay hot. Once I need it, I'll finish it off in the grill.
That's going to be my medium rare.
Then I take my medium well steak and throw it in the top oven because if I just leave it in the grill, it's just going to char up and it'll never cook, man. These medium wells take a while.
Only medium well right here. Cooking with burritos.
And then my boy T Barnes comes and asks for a ribeye, man. I'll let y'all see that.
Is that a ribeye? Yeah. The big guy.
The big guy, yeah.
How do you want it?
Medium rare. Give me the biggest one it is. It's my fucking birthday, man.
Oh, okay. Let him pick it. Let him pick it.
No, you guys are good. I trust you.
Pick one of these.
As you can see, we hooking up my boy T Barnes with a fine ribeye, nice little 10 ounces. But here you notice I left my medium steak in the grill a little bit longer. Then I pulled it out. I throw it down in the bottom oven with the other steak. By the time I pull it out, it should be pretty close to medium. Right here, we got another ribeye and some more 6-ounce fillets. Unfortunately, this is not a ribeye video, man. This is strictly a fillet video. So if you want to see some more ribeye action, man, stay tuned. I got a video coming on those soon. I know the ribeye is a lot of people's favorite steak. Honestly, it's my favorite steak to cook. But when it comes to eating it and taste, man, the fillet is king, man. Come on now. Nobody want to eat all that fat, man. We want that tender fillet, man. Come on. Stop playing. Check me out. They left me in charge. We about to close up. But we got a 12 top. We got a 8 ounce, another 8 ounce, another 8 ounce. Top, we got a 6 ounce. They want that medium well, I think, or well done. I don't know. That's why it's up here though. It's gonna take a while. They want these medium well. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull them out right now. They want that one medium, so we'll give it a little longer. We got 5 salmons cooking down here. Faroe Island salmons or whatever. We got the Thai shrimp. I really hate to say this to you people, gentlemen, ladies. I really hate to say it, but that'll be all for today. I'm gonna close it out with this footage of me seasoning these sirloin steaks. I think we call them butt steaks, but I'm pretty sure it said sirloin steaks on the box. I don't know, to be honest. I can tell you that they're 6-ounce steaks, but stay tuned. I got some more videos on the way, some 10-ounce ribeye videos, some 10-ounce strip videos, some more fillet videos, some huge Madagascar tiger prawn videos, whole bunch of stuff, man. Stay tuned, subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, then stay tuned, I guess. Whatever, man. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Mira qué reloj traes.